Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HOTWAV Note 12 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. I will start with HotWave. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, Continue, Allow. Finally, you can select Not Now if you want to in New Updates pop-up, and then close it by hitting OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of HotWave. Nextly, tap on Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. From here, thanks to all of those categories available at the top of Note 12, you can choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like for example Contacts, you need to choose Allow a couple of times. Then select your files. When you finished, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, pick one of those options to connect. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then tap on Receive. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!